Good morning, good morning. I'm Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage with your morning market stir for Tuesday, October 8th. Another day, another downturn with the uncertainty out of Washington, D.C. The E-mini S&P yesterday finished down 0.9%, 1667 and 3/4, down 17. The low yesterday did not make new lows from last week. The low yesterday was 1666 and a half. Last week's low to keep an eye on is 1663 as a support level. Looking at the Dow was down 147, 14,851. The VIX has now climbed to 19. It's up more than 50% since the September 20th lows at 12.5. So a big climb in the VIX. Looking at the NASDAQ was off yesterday. 3205 was the settle. The dollar index was down 19 at 80.03, holding that 80 level. The euro currency 135.80 up 22. 136.50 is the high from last week that we'll want to keep an eye on in the euro currency. Bonds somewhat steady, even though stocks had that sharp sell-off at the end of the session. 133.11 up 12. So we haven't seen any flight to quality in bonds, but we've seen an increase in the volatility index in that VIX. Crude oil, 103, down 80 cents. And gold getting a little bit of a bounce on this nonsense, up $15 at $13.25. So after a big turn down, giving up all the gains from Friday, where did the market stand on this Tuesday morning? Well, not much has changed. Right now we're at 1668, up 3/4. Again, keep an eye on 1663. That was the low of last week in the E-mini S&P. The Dow right now is up 8, 14,859. And the NASDAQ right now is at 3208, up 3. Currencies are steady, up 5 in the dollar, 80.08, down 6 in the euro, 135.74, and bonds are down 6 at 133.04. Really stuck at this 133 level. Sometimes we bounce up to the high 133, but I'll often gravitate right back to this 133 level as we're seeing no safety buying in bonds so far anyways. Crude up 70 cents, 103.56, and gold's down $3 at 13.22. So to wrap up the current action with 2 hours to go before the cash stock market open, we're steady after the 0.9% sell-off yesterday. Right now we're up 3/4 of a point at 1668 in the E-mini S&P and up 8 in the Dow futures at 14,859. Just a reminder here, the unofficial start of earnings season is today after the close with Alcoa, so that'll give the stock market some fundamental news to start looking at from here on out. I will see you early Wednesday morning for the Morning Market Stir to set up your trading day. Alan Nuckman from Trading Advantage here at the CME Group, where it all comes back to commodities.